Plant FAQs, Platycerium andinum. Platycerium andinum, the alluring American staghorn fern, an FAQ by Ferb Vu. Greetings, plant enthusiasts. I'm Ferb Vu, and today, we delve into the fascinating world of Platycerium andinum, the sole staghorn fern native to the Americas. This epiphytic wonder, with its striking fronds and unique growth habit, has captured the hearts of collectors worldwide. Whether you're a seasoned botanist or a curious newbie, this FAQ will equip you with the knowledge to cultivate this majestic fern successfully. What is Platycerium andinum? Platycerium andinum, also known as the American staghorn fern, is an epiphytic fern belonging to the Polypodiaceae family. Unlike terrestrial ferns that root in soil, Platycerium andinum thrives on trees or other structures, absorbing moisture and nutrients from the air and surrounding debris. What makes Platycerium andinum special? This fern boasts two distinct frond types. Sterile fronds. These broad, shield-shaped fronds are covered in a dense mat of brown hairs. They act as a reservoir, holding water and nutrients for the plant. As the fern matures, these fronds can reach an impressive size, resembling a staghorn, hence the common name. Fertile fronds. Upright and narrow, these fronds showcase the fern's reproductive structures. Once mature, they become covered in brownish spores, responsible for Platycerium andinum's propagation. How does Platycerium andinum compare to other staghorn ferns? While Platycerium andinum shares similarities with other staghorn ferns, like the widely cultivated Platycerium bifurcatum, elkhorn fern, there are key distinctions. Origin: Platycerium andinum hails from the cool, cloud forests of the Andes Mountains in Peru and Bolivia, while Platycerium bifurcatum is native to Southeast Asia and Australia. Fertile frond shape. The fertile fronds of Platycerium andinum are generally narrower and more upright compared to the broader, lobed fertile fronds of Platycerium bifurcatum. Climate preference. Platycerium andinum thrives in cooler environments with moderate humidity, whereas Platycerium bifurcatum tolerates warmer temperatures better. How to care for Platycerium andinum. Here's a guide to nurturing your American staghorn fern. Light. Provide bright, indirect sunlight. Avoid harsh afternoon sun, which can scorch the fronds. Temperature. Aim for moderate temperatures ranging from 18 degrees Celsius to 29 degrees Celsius, 64 degrees Fahrenheit to 84 degrees Fahrenheit. Watering. Water deeply when the shield fronds feel dry to the touch. Avoid overwatering, as soggy roots can lead to rot. Humidity. While Platycerium andinum doesn't require extremely high humidity levels, misting the plant occasionally, especially in dry climates, can be beneficial. Fertilization. Use a weak, diluted fertilizer for epiphytes monthly during the growing season, spring and summer. Avoid over-fertilizing, which can damage the roots. Mounting. Mount your Platycerium andinum on a suitable support like a corkboard, coconut husk, or driftwood. Secure the fern using fishing line or wire mesh until its roots establish themselves. Where can I find Platycerium andinum? Due to its unique origin and captivating beauty, Platycerium andinum can be a rare find in some regions. Here are some options to consider. Online plant retailers. Several online vendors specializing in rare ferns may offer Platycerium andinum. Botanical gardens. Botanical gardens with diverse fern collections might have Platycerium andinum in their displays. You can also inquire if they sell propagated plantlets. Plant shows and events. Specialty plant shows and events sometimes feature vendors with a wide variety of ferns, including Platycerium andinum. Is Platycerium andinum difficult to care for? Platycerium andinum is not an overly challenging fern to cultivate, but it does have specific needs. Understanding its epiphytic nature and providing the right balance of light, water, and humidity are key. With proper care and attention, you can cultivate a thriving and breathtaking Platycerium andinum that will be a conversation starter in your home. Final thoughts. Platycerium andinum, the American staghorn fern, offers a unique and captivating addition to any fern enthusiast collection. Its majestic size, intriguing growth habit, and relative ease of care make it a rewarding plant to cultivate. With a little patience and adherence to these guidelines, you can witness the captivating transformation of your Platycerium andinum. Imagine the satisfaction of nurturing this rare fern from a small plantlet to a mature specimen boasting impressive staghorn-like fronds. The sight of its fertile fronds unfurling and releasing spores, a testament to the cycle of life, adds another layer of wonder to your botanical journey. So, are you ready to embark on the adventure of cultivating this remarkable American staghorn fern?